we'll discuss the color and font properties. The first property is border color, and description is set the color of the four borders. We have from 1 to 4 four colors. Its value is color. The next property, border property, is border style, and it can style over 4 borders, and its values would be non, hidden, dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, right, inset or offset. The next property of border property is border width, which is a shorthand property for setting the width of the 4 borders in one declaration. Can have from 1 to 4 values, and its values are thin, medium, thick or length. The next one are the background properties. Background properties are like background color, which set the background color of the element, and its values are color. You can give the value in RGB, or you can give the value of the color in hexadecimal, or by simply writing the name of the color. The next one is background image. Background image is, as the name tells us, it set the image as the background, and its value will be non or URL. As you know, the URL is used for linking the things between the background attachment. Next property, set whether the background image is fixed or scroll with the rest of the page, and its values will be fixed or scroll as the description told us. The next property is background position. It is the sets of starting position of the background image. Background position means starting positions. It defines the starting position of the background image, and its values are top left, top center, top right, top left, center right, center, top, bottom left, left bottom, bottom center, whatever you can use. Next one is background repeat. Yes, background repeat. It sets if and how a background image will be repeated, or how you want to repeat your background image, or if the background image is repeated, in what manners. Its values are repeat x-axis, or repeat y-axis, or no repeat, simply straight down. Next are the text and font properties. There are 6 text properties and almost 4 font properties. Firstly, we discuss text properties. Text properties, first is color, which set the color of the text, and its value will be obviously color. The next one is letter spacing. Letter spacing tells the increase or decrease the space between the characters, and its value would be normal length. Next one is text align. Text align aligns the text in an element, whether right or left, center or justify. The next one is text decoration. Adds decoration to text, while on underline text or overline text, line through or blink. Next is text indent. It indents the first line of the text in the element, like length or percentage. Text transformation and controls the letters in an element. Non, it may be non, it may be capitalized, it may be uppercase, it may be lowercase. Font family. A periodized list of font family name or the generic family names of our element. These are the properties of fonts, and its values family name or generic family. The next font property is font size. It defines the size of the font, and it may be x small, double x small, or small, medium large, x small, or double x large. Next is font style. It defines the style of the font. It may be numeric, italic, or oblique. The next is font weight. Yes, in HTML and CSS, font have weights in manners of normal, bold, border, light, or the value you give. You can set the weight 100%, 200%, 10,000 million %, as you want. So here was the quick and basic introduction of HTML. We discussed HTML types, we discussed what is CSS, we discussed what is CSS, we discussed the advantages of CSS, we discussed the 2 basic types of CSS, and we further discussed some properties of text and font and multiple classes, and we discussed the border properties. Hopefully this lecture is